Okay, next we will move to customer and supplier settings. First option is warn when duplicate customers or customer reference used on customer invoices. That means when you are entering customer invoices, you can enter customer invoice reference number here. Okay, now first option is warn when duplicate customer reference used on customer invoices. Then if you tick on this option, system will pop up and message you are entering duplicate customer reference. Now you can enter customer reference here, and if you are entering same customer reference for another transaction, system will think this is a mistake. So by mistake, and you are entering same reference number, therefore system will pop up and message you are entering duplicate customer reference number. Now sometimes your company or your customers may send same customer reference number. In that case, you can untick this option, then system will not pop up any message. So if your customer sends same reference number for different invoices, you can untick this option. Or if you want to get an alert, if you are by mistake entering same customer reference, you can tick this option, then system will pop up a message. Okay, you are entering a duplicate customer reference number. Then second one is warn when duplicate supplier invoice number used on supplier invoices. Now you can enter supplier invoices from here. And you can enter supplier invoice number here. Now if you are by mistake, or now normally particular customer will not issue same invoice number twice. Therefore now if you are entering same supplier invoice number, system will think it's a mistake, so therefore system will pop up a message. So if you don't want to pop up message, you can untick this option. Or if you want to get an alert, you are entering same, or you are entering duplicate supplier invoice number, you can tick this option. Okay. Third one is display inactive customers for selection when processing. Now sometimes after doing some transactions, sometimes you are not selling to particular customer. Sometimes they are not paying properly, or due to any other reasons, sometimes you are not, or you want to block customers for invoicing. In that case, you can inactive those customers. Okay, I'll show you. Now this is A0101 customer. Now this customer, if you untick this option, active option, that customer will inactive. So this third one is display inactive customers for selection when processing. That means if you inactive any customer, and if you want to display that customer for when processing transactions, you can tick this option. Now for an example, normally if you are blocking any customer or inactive any customer, you don't want to process any transaction for that customer, in that case you can untick this option. Or if you want to select, you want to display those inactive customers when processing transaction, you can tick this option. Okay, now for an example, this customer is inactive. You will go to tax invoice, and we will enter some invoices for that customer. Now here that customer is not shown. Okay, that A0101 customer not shown because we have unticked this option, display inactive customers for selection when processing. We inactive this customer and that customer will not shown in this drop down menu because we have unticked this option. Okay, then next one is display inactive suppliers for selection when processing. Same thing, you can inactive some suppliers. For an example, that sometimes you are purchasing some supplier, but later you identified that supplier's prices is high. So in that case, you decided to not to purchase from supplier, and you inactive that supplier. Okay, that from this fourth option, you can inactive. You can set that those display inactive suppliers for selection when processing. If you untick this option, those inactive suppliers not shown for supplier transactions such as supplier invoices, supplier purchase orders. Those transactions you cannot